Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A paper trending on X this week, published 5 days ago on July 21st, 2026, demonstrates how graph-based orchestration converts complex large language model workflows into durable, inspectable software. The paper is titled Graph-Based Agentic AI with LangGraph Workflow Pathways for Long-Running Stateful Business Processes. It details concrete recipes for SQL analytics repair loops, evidence-gated retrieval, and human-in-the-loop reviews. This decision flowchart guides when to adopt graph orchestration based on workflow needs. At the top, simple tasks without persistent state belong in a plain software development kit or schema-first agent. Moving down, if explicit branching is needed without human pauses, a basic conditional graph suffices. Finally, when processes require human review, the full framework with an interrupt function and state checkpointer becomes essential. Table 1 expands on these decision rules by comparing specific workflow requirements with their corresponding framework capabilities. The table header outlines when to choose LangGraph, why its mechanisms help, and when to opt for a simpler architecture. For example, if a workflow must pause and resume for human review, checkpointers and interrupts preserve state across delays, whereas external approvals require no graph state. Table 2 breaks down specific framework alternatives across 4 primary application classes. For basic tool use or question answering, plain software development kits or reason-act loops offer lightweight execution. When structured extraction and validation are required, schema-first tools like Agentic AI provide strong schema compliance without added graph complexity. Finally, DSPY suits prompt or program optimization, whereas LangGraph excels in long-running workflows, requiring checkpoints and human review. Table 3 summarizes the 3 concrete workflow recipes detailed in the paper, outlining their constituent nodes and rationale. For SQL analytics, nodes manage schema lookup through query execution, which allows errors to trigger explicit repair loops. Agentic retrieval, augmented generation grades retrieve documents, so evidence quality determines whether to answer or retrieve again. Finally, human-in-the-loop policy review uses interrupt nodes to safely pause high-risk decisions until human feedback is provided. Figure 1 illustrates these 3 workflow recipes as visual route sketches. The top row shows the SQL repair loop, where query execution failures route back to generation until a valid result is produced or retries run out. The middle row details agentic retrieval augmented generation, which evaluates retrieved evidence, routing weak citations back for additional retrieval. Finally, the bottom row illustrates human-in-the-loop review, which pauses execution at a high-risk step, so human feedback can be applied before finalizing the decision record. Figure 1 sketched all 3 recipes. Now Figure 2 details the human-in-the-loop interrupt and resume mechanism. After drafting a response, a conditional node checks if the task is high risk. Low-risk tasks immediately proceed to finalization without human intervention. High-risk tasks trigger an interrupt, pausing execution until a reviewer provides input. The graph then resumes from its persisted checkpoint, applying feedback to finalize the record. Wrapping up, 2 key takeaways stand out. Graph-based orchestration converts complex model control flows into governable software, and frameworks like LangGraph excel when processes demand durable state, human oversight, and explicit audit trails. That wraps up this look at graph-based agentic workflows. I am Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. See you in the next one.